Are you risking your safety by attempting to repair your garage door yourself? The dangers might be more severe than you think. Garage doors are complex systems with heavy components and high-tension springs that can be hazardous without proper training. Handling high-tension springs is one of the most dangerous aspects of garage door repair. A slight mistake can lead to severe injuries. A typical garage door weighs between 150 to 400 pounds. Improper handling can cause the door to fall, leading to serious accidents. Modern garage doors use automated systems that require electrical knowledge. A simple wiring mistake can compromise the entire system. Misalignment during a DIY repair can cause the door to come off its tracks, leading to costly repairs down the line. Professional garage door technicians use specialized tools to ensure repairs are done safely and efficiently. Certified technicians undergo extensive training to handle high-risk situations and ensure the entire system functions correctly. DIY fixes may offer temporary solutions, but professional repairs provide long-term reliability and peace of mind. Prioritize your safety and the longevity of your garage door system by consulting an experienced professional for secure and lasting solutions.